Hello friends, welcome to my channel What's and How. In this video today I am going to show you how you can set watermark and set a password in PDF file using LibreOffice Draw. So let's get started. So I have already downloaded and installed LibreOffice Draw. If you want to see how you can install and download LibreOffice Draw open source, it's an open source application and a free to use application as well. So I have already installed it. I am going to type LibreOffice. After installation, go to the taskbar and open LibreOffice Draw. Anyway, click open LibreOffice Draw. So if you already have a PDF and want to set a password, so just go to that file and go to the file, click on open and then pick the file. It will open up Windows file picker. Then you have to select the file, click on open. So you can see here I have a PDF file. I want to add a password and add a watermark on it. So let's see how we can do. So go click on file and then you will get an option export and export as PDF. If you will click export as PDF, here you could see a lot of options. So here you could see one option as watermark. So I will click on here watermark and I will make it as official. Here you can see a lot of option is here showing, but in this case I'm going to show you how you can add watermark and a security password. So if you want to share any PDF with someone and don't want to disclose with someone else, so you can set a password and tell them that you can use this password to open a PDF file if it is a very confidential. And if you want to other option you can see here. If you want to set the page all the pages, you can click on the 3 pages and select and go to the security tab. You can see on the security tab you set password. So type your password whatever you want. So I have typed a password. I am done with the password and click OK and now click export. So it will ask you to save your file and then you can save your file. So I am going to rename it password protected. Let me close this and I'm going to open that file. So here you could see password protected file. When you will open it, you will see prompt you to put your password. So let me enter the password and you can see here it's already mentioned at official. Yes, here you can see. So hope this will help you. Thanks for watching my video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.